Winter's here. Winter's here, finally. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Hi, where's your brother? Where's your brother? It's amazing. Wow. Wowee. Wowee, Henry. A lot of snow last night. Should we go get the chickens up? Should we go wake the girls up? March 14th. March 14th. All right, let's go. Is winter finally here? It's crazy. Yeah, they're still sleeping. All right, you guys gotta make space for me. Say good morning, chickies. Oh, no, Wahoo. Well, that didn't go very well. Get out of here. Henry, get out. I'm sorry, chickies. Good morning. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That wasn't a very nice way to wake up. I'm sorry. Wahoo thought he was gonna check for an egg, I think. And that was not what I was intending. Sorry, buddy. I think we had a miscommunication. I did not want you to jump in there like that. I'm sorry. I just wanted to wake the chickies up. They're up. We have a miscommunication. Waking up, watching the dogs play in the snow, and getting my little squat on. This feels so much better to make my coffee or my tea and come out here and just, of course it's gorgeous out with all this snow, but it's one of the things I'm trying to do to feel more grounded and less untethered. Is come outside first thing in the morning and let my body orient, like, okay, get some natural light and everything. So, are they coming down the stairs? Let's see if we can see what they're doing. Oh, I hear them coming down the stairs. There they are. It's okay, Henry. Don't chase her. Oh my goodness, look at that chicken going through all that snow. This is what I swear it looked like almost all winter, the last 2 winters. So it was pretty crazy so far this winter to not have any snow. So I've got a couple appointments this morning and then we'll probably get to go skiing, which I'm excited about. I definitely pulled something in my back yesterday carrying that tub. Just so frustrating. But good news is I have both a chiropractic and a massage today. So I'm doing what I can to take care of this old body. Hilarious. Oh, so good. So this is my homie tree. This is my tree, Merv, and I love this tree so much. It's so majestic, and it gets really weighed down by all the snow. And yeah, he's really cool. I really love this tree. I asked him if I could hug him, and he was the first tree that I consciously connected with, and he helped me reconnect with the trees that were in my front yard growing up, and it's just been a really cool experience. I love this tree so much. Well, I better go. I'm gonna do a little body rinse off shower before I go to the chiropractor and before I go to the massage therapist. But of course, I don't need to do anything to my hair, which is nice. It's just, there's my plant window. Wahoo, I'm gonna go inside. You see that tree though? Wow. So that's Mervin, and that tree right there is Norman. I can call him Norm. Wahoo! Oh, I just can't get over these chickie babes. They're so freaking cool. Wahoo, don't. It's such a pain in my booty. Such a pain in my booty, that dog. That dog. Come pet that dog. Come pet that dog. I would recommend you pet that dog. So I'm starting a new thing. Before I spend any money on any supplies, I'm gonna try it in I have this wallet that I bought for my last trip, which if you watched my video about my closet clean out, I shared a little bit about my history, if you will, with purses and wallets and the emotional issues there. But anyways, I want to get a notebooks like passport like planner system, and it's gonna be about this size. So I was like, you know what, I've had these little notebooks, and it's not exactly, because I don't have but I realized I can actually feed a rubber band through here, so I could do it and I could probably just use this for a while. So what I'm gonna do is see if I use this. Then if I use this, I will, because the idea behind this is supposed to be that you bring this with you everywhere you go instead of your big planner, and then you transfer this whenever it works for you. So what I think I'm gonna do, because I wanna keep better track of my health stuff, I'm gonna use one of these. So I'm gonna make a note that I took a muscle relaxer at 10 a.m. Give these guys a little space. Fuck. I was thinking I was gonna get around these snowplow guys, but they're actually doing a little thing, a little system here. It's like they have a 3-prong system here. 1, 2, 3. I'm not crazy. They have one guy in the middle pushing it over into the left lane, and then the guy in the left lane pushing it into the right lane, and then the guy in the right lane pushing it off. So it's pretty crazy. So I just had my massage. Hurts so good. It really feels more like a PT session with this guy. He's really good. He really knows his stuff. He does all these release techniques and stuff. But anyway, I decided I'm gonna swing into the grocery store. So I just had my first instance of where this would be really, really handy, and I didn't have a pen with me. So my pen, the only problem I'm having with this little setup so far is just that the pen keeps jumping out. So I put it in there. I don't know, I guess it would close. But anyway, I was waiting in line, and I was like, I want to write something down, because I was at the grocery store and I didn't want to buy I decided, don't tell them, but I decided I'm going to do Easter baskets for my kids this year. And my kids are 22 and 25. So I don't do Easter baskets every year. And then their Easter baskets, I feel like over the years I've bought new ones, and I don't know, I've just never been a big fan of the cheap wicker basket. I don't know. So anyway, I wanted to make a list for another store, and I was like, gosh darn it. Oh, okay, that's a little bit of a problem. The zipper's there. As you can tell, it stresses the zipper when I put it there. So then I've been putting it here, and it just pops right out. But again, this is just a trial. A couple people oh, it's finally snowing, and they're like, yeah, till tomorrow, or because it just keeps melting on us, because it just hasn't been very cold. And so we are Home sweet home. Well, Todd, that is Rio's spot. It is Rio's spot. Yeah, you just decided to take it over. Look at that face. This face. They're beefing over the spot.
Are they?
A little bit, cat style. Look at Todd's face. He's like, it's not your spot anymore, lady. Rio went up there and was like, and he was like, he looks like he is not having any of it. Rio, you're too sweet. If you want your spot back, just go make a move. You can do it. You're the...
You're bigger than he is, man.
Well, you're also... We can do this. I know we can. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little taller. It's so freaking beautiful, I could cry. Wow. Look at those magnificent trees, though. They get weighed down so heavy when it snows like this. Wow, it's just magnificent. Truly. Can you believe all these trees? Hey, pals. Hey, pals. Such a magnificent tree. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Hi, would you guys like to be unleashed? Come here. Come here, please. Henry's first. Henry's first. Wahoo is free. There you go. You're free. Yeah, good job. Okay. Oh, hello, Miss Chicky Babe. Hello, aunties. Hello, aunties. Come on over. Come on. Oh, look at you guys. So grown up. Oh, yeah, you have a lot to say. Come on over. Come on over. Come on over, lady. Yeah. Well, you come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't be left out. Yes, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You know where it's at. Don't you cuss me out. Don't you cuss me out, little lady. Hello, sweeties. Hi. You getting braver every day? Yeah. You guys are so funny. Hello. Hello, sweetie. Hello. Yeah. Hi. So these are the baskets that I got. This one's for my son, and this one's for his girlfriend. And I'm getting ready to box them up. So I wanted to show you. I was so excited I found these at Costco. They live in Arizona, so kind of fitting. And then I just thought this one was really cool. And they like doing Legos, but my son, his thing when he was little was goldfish, and he liked Toy Story. And then I thought this was super cute. Everybody always has to have an Easter bunny. And then I got them, they travel a lot, so I got them a travel journal. And those just have like candy and coins and stuff in them. And then I got this little book, which is a weekly meal planner. I found this little pouch. I thought it was so cute. And then I got her some Zesta Ranch goldfish. And of course, bunny. It's a cute little frog. I actually got for obviously at Valentine's Day, but I forgot to send it to her, so. And then she loves frogs, so that. I gave her some stickles and a little journal and some eggies. So that's it. I'm pretty excited about it. And I almost forgot, I got these for the dog. Got those for their doggy. So cute. Wee. Oh yeah. It feels really quiet today. Extra quiet. There's the big chair. It's not on, so I wonder if anybody will be here. You're ready though. Cool daddy. Oh yeah, I like it. Thank you. Yeah, I'm very wary of any like twisting right now.